Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at a romantic name for our husbands, our male partner in Igbo language. Yes, Otom. Otom. Now, what is Otom? Otom means something that is very tasty. Would I use the word sweet? They're very sweet, like honey. Honey. Autumn means something that is delightful, that tastes good. So when you say ona toto, ona soso, some dialects say osom, some say otom. So otom means something that is very sweet. The second one I want us to look at is omego. Omego. Omego is someone who pays or pays something. So anytime you ask your husband for something, he just brings it out. Omego. That ego is money. So omego, who pays money. Next one I want us to look at, ikem. Ike means strength. So when you say ikem means my strength. Ikem, my strength. At your lowest, he always comes through for you. So you call him Ikem. Another one is DK. 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 When you say DK, means DK is so extremely mighty. So you can call DK. He knows that, oh, he said, Another one I want us to look at, Odimnobi. Someone that is in your heart. Obi is heart. Someone that is in your heart, Odimnobi, that it's always in your heart, Odimnobi. You know now, Odimnobi. Another one is Nkem. Nkem. I'm sure you hear people call some Nkem. Nkem means my own. My own. Nkem. I am not sharing him with anyone. Nkem. You can call him Obim. Obim, my heart. My heart. Another one is ezigbo nwoke. Ezigbo or ezigbo nwoke. Ezigbo nwoke, when you say something is ezigbo, means real, original. When you say this thing is ezigbo, ezigbo. When you say this is ezigbo, it means real, original. So when you say ezigbo nwoke, you're talking about the real man, real man. Another one is agunwoke. Agunwoke. So when you say my husband is agunwoke, it means agu is a tiger, strongest animal in the cat family. So when you refer to him agunwoke, you're talking about the greatest among the men. Agunwoke. You can also call him Woke Kibeya. Woke Ka Ibeya. It means Woke is a male, Ka Ibeya, greater than his peers. So the man that is greater than his peers, the husband that is greater than his peers. So Woke Ka Ibeya. Woke Kibeya. Yeah. Wokoma. Wokoma. Wokoma is a good man. Wokoma. When you say my husband is Wokoma, so you're saying that he is a good man. The next one is Odogu. And I'm sure Odogu is kind of popular now. Everyone knows Odogu. So when you say Odogu, Odogu means someone, the superior among powerful people. You have powerful people, the alphas, the powerful people. Now, yes, there are other powerful men around him, but he is their king. He's the alpha male. He's the alpha male. Odogum. Oyem Jeko. Oyem Jemono. Oyem Jeko. Yeah, I know that some of us always want a short name, romantic name for our spouses. But I mean, sometimes you can even abbreviate it. People like, what are you saying? What's the meaning of that? It needs you to translate it to them. Onyem Jeko. So it could be OJ, OJO, OJ, OJ, Onyem Jieko. How you like it, it should actually, I believe that romantic name should come from your heart. How you feel about the man, about the woman, Now, let us look at Omoma Saho. Omoma Saho. Nah, this is serious. When you call that man Omoma Saho, he will turn and look at you. Hey, I'm gonna feel. Hey, can I say Manuangum? Manuangum is like, Manuangum is honey. So, instead of say my honey, say Manuangum. Manuangum. Oh. Ifunanyam. Ifunanya, Ifunanya, Ihunanya. Oyembuno be all because of Ihu. So, Ihunanya. Naya means my love. So, Ihunanya, Ahorunginanya, I love you. Ihunanya, Ihunanyam, my love. Another one is Nnam. Nnam. Nnam means my. Okay, so Nna. In Igbo, we call Nna father. But then when you call your husband or your spouse Nnam, you're simply saying my Lord. Yeah, right? Our mother Sarah and the rest, they call their husband my Lord. Another one is Ekweme. Ekweme means when he says things, he does it. So Ekweme, when your husband's, you can call him Ekweme. He knows that. Otokunadu. Ijele Nwoke. You can call him Ijele Nwoke. Ijele is a masquerade in Igbo land. One of the king of the masquerade. It comes out in a rare occasions. Very big and beautiful.